Things have been a bit different in the past couple of days. I've been hanging out with people a lot, which I haven't done for a while. And I don't know. It's weird. It's like as soon as I got into that small group, I felt like I became quite dependent on others, which I'm not a big fan of. But yeah, it was like, oh, now what they do, I do. I don't do by myself, I do with them. So today is just me. And I mean, yesterday as well, I did the biking by myself. But the day before yesterday, I felt like, I felt clingy a bit. I was like, oh, what are you guys doing? What are we doing? Where should we go and stuff? Anyways, that was just me with the usual serious talk. After talking to all those people, and also I already knew it, but one big thing I'm not doing and I'm missing on, which I need to resolve, is I'm not eating enough local food at all. Because my main way of saving money has been through food. By this I mean going to the convenience store every day, going to the supermarket, and minimizing my spending on food. Which is cool, but it's like I love food, and a lot of people come to Japan just for the food. So I must change that. Not every day, still save money, but indulge in a lot more. For example, I still haven't had ramen. Like, I've just had pre-made instant ramen. And I've had a proper ramen in Japan, which is not normal. That was the Oyamazumi Shrine in Omishima, the island where I'm at. And the big trees at the entry that I took some videos of is a 3,000 years old tree. So that's pretty old. was a nice swim, a little bit of tanning as well. I don't usually stay around, I just go for a dip, but I got no reason to rush. I'm gonna go get some seafood now. Well, talk about eating more local food. That was pretty insane. That was a whole set meal, and I paid a little extra to get the sea urchin as well, uni. I never had uni. I always wanted to try it. It's very common in New Zealand as well, and well in Japan. I don't like it. I don't hate it, but I would not go for it again. It's like people say, it's like butter of the sea. It does feel like butter, like very fatty. But then, yeah, it straight up just tastes like seawater or like very fishy taste, which I'm okay. I don't love it. And there was like 4 different type of fish sashimi. One of them was absolutely amazing. I think it was the maybe yellowfin tuna, so good. There was octopus as well, very good. And the head of that fish was like a fried fish head, and that was so nice. I didn't eat the eye, not want to do that, but I ate everything else. Absolutely delicious. 3,000 yen for everything. So it is out of my food budget, but I don't need a dinner, I reckon, after that. And that's all. Another snake. I was literally staring at it thinking it was a stick, and then I saw its head just staring at me. It's like not moving at all. It's weird. It's long as this one. I don't know if it's dead or if it's playing dead. I don't like it. Okay, so a little bit of an update because it's now nighttime. I haven't been talking much, but yeah, I went to do the hike in the mountain behind. It was great. Really beautiful view as usual. I wasn't talking because I was doing my first person, my POV recording on the other camera. And also, like, I got to the very top, and then at the very top there's like an antenna, and there's not really anywhere to watch the sunset. So I carried on the path a little bit, and then fair enough, I see those three people. I had seen a car drove past me, so I figured I would see them at the top. And I sort of had to join them because they were at the only location where you can see the sunset. And at first, I was negative in my head, like I tend to be, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna be able to make all the videos I want to make. My video won't be silent anymore because they were talking and all that. But quickly, I turned my mindset around when I tend to be negative like that. And straight away, they started talking to me, and they were super kind people. And one of them spoke good English, so she was translating, and we were talking the whole time after that. And I was talking about my trip, talking about my job for Google Maps. That's mostly what I'd be talking about to people, and it's always great. People are always very happy to learn about how much I love Japan and how I've always wanted to live here. And that's really cool. It really reinforces that feeling inside of me that this is where I belong. And yeah, in the end, I just took a couple videos at the top, turned off the camera, and then chatted with them till the sunset was finished. And you know, I was at the top of that mountain that took me almost 2 hours to climb. It was nighttime. I had to ask them for a lift. I was like, any chance you can drive me back down? And they had no issue with that, so they drove me back. We talked some more in the car. Turns out that there was a couple and that other lady, and the couple, they work at the pizzeria on the island. I had heard about it because really everyone knows each other on this island. And pizza is my favorite food. So I told them I will come through tomorrow. So that's now my food plan tomorrow. And I guess my only other plan is to run the extra K. So tomorrow we got the extra K followed by some pizza. I think that's the better order to do it. Alright, last day before moving tomorrow. I slept in a little bit. Slept in till 10:30. Now it's 11:30. I'm on my way to the bus stop. I'm gonna take a bus to the other side of the island to go to the pizzeria of the people that met last night. Most shops on this island close at 5 p.m. So usually I would have pizza for dinner, but don't really get a choice. And then I don't know, either I go on my run or I eat it. And whichever I don't do, then I do the other one tomorrow. Tomorrow I need to figure something out. My checkout is at 10 and my check-in is at 4. And it only takes like 2 hours to get from one to the other. So I need to see how to manage those 4 hours. Wow, what a great lunch. It's like I said yesterday, I need to start eating more food. Even if pizza is not really local food, well, in this case it is. They get all the ingredients from the island I'm on. They make everything themselves. They make their own yeast using strawberries. They make their own starter, etc. They use wild boar meat, honey from the island, everything. And that was delicious. Also got a dessert, delicious. These people are super nice. And yeah, I think I need to start naming the places I go to. This was Pizzeria Takibi. And yeah, I'm on Omishima Island still. Right now I'm about to walk in the smallest pharmacy in the world. I want to get some antihistamine because I got bitten pretty bad by whatever on my feet and I wanted to stop Itching. Well, it's 2 p.m. and I'm at the beach, but I needed to buy something to take with the antihistamine. And who wants to just buy water, you know? And I saw this video yesterday. The lady was like, if you're in Japan and you're paying 600, 700 or 800 for barista made coffee, you're missing out. All the Japanese people do that thing. So I want to try it. Get a black coffee, and then you get this sort of ice cream pouch thingy from the freezer section. Apparently you mix the two and you get a bomb ass coffee. When I went to the restaurant before, I once again saw the owner of the guest house I stay at. It's funny, yesterday I saw him at lunch and today I saw him at lunch. And so I took the opportunity to ask him about tomorrow and the checkout. And yeah, no problem. I can just hang around until the check-in for the next place, which is mean, honestly. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna run today, because apparently the medicine I'm about to take makes you drowsy. And also, you know, 2 days ago I cycled for like 50 kilometers. Yesterday night I did a hike. So tomorrow I should do it. I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to be on the beach I'm at. I don't know, there was quite a few warning signs, but I was told this was a nice secret beach, so god damn. Honestly, hell nah. This is not whatever that lady was claiming it was. Tastes the same as buying the latte version of Boss Coffee. If anything, a little less sweet. And twice the price, because those two things cost me $3.50 and just coffee is like $150 to $200. So no, this is not a hack whatsoever. Sorry. There's a lot of current there that's dragging you towards the bridge. So I'm assuming that's probably all the signs that I saw. Whether or not it's forbidden to swim or just dangerous. Gonna take a bus back to the guest house. And then gonna take it easy. Yeah, I've had a big week. I'll take it easy. Maybe start packing my bag tonight, otherwise in the morning.